Yeah. Now, when the UPA government was in power, international petrol prices had reached $140 per barrel. Today, the petrol price and diesel price in the international market is much lower than when we are in power. But you pay much more for your petrol and diesel. You should understand that today, India taxes petrol the highest, among the highest in the world. And that is why you are paying high prices for petrol. It is not that petrol on the international market is that expensive. It is that petrol in India is that expensive. You have to ask yourself, where is that money going? To whom is that money going? And who are the people who are being benefited by this coal hub that is being built here, by the price of petrol? And if you look carefully, you will find they're the same 2 or 3, 4, 5 businessmen who are benefiting from all these things. For example, we fought an election in Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
We made a commitment in Chhattisgarh to the farmers that their loans will be waived.
Yes, sir.
We waived the loans in Chhattisgarh. You can go to Chhattisgarh, you can ask them exactly how much they pay for rice, whether their loans were waived. You can go to Punjab, you can ask the same question. You can go to Karnataka, you can ask the same question. So I am not here to waste your time. Okay. I'm not interested.
Good man.
Okay. I'm also not interested. One second, let me speak. I'm also not interested in wasting my time. Because just as your time is important, my time is important.
Yeah.
So that is why the commitments that we are going to make to you in our manifesto, they are not just commitments, they are guarantees. Okay. Please understand that clearly. What goes in our manifesto is a guarantee. It is not just a commitment. It is a guarantee that we are going to do.
Last question, sir.
Finally, let me speak. Speak.
Yeah.
I love the sea here.
Beautiful.
Sometimes when my mother is not feeling well, she comes here. Okay, so she takes benefit of your beautiful climate, your beautiful environment. Right? She takes benefit of your beautiful climate, your beautiful sea. And there are thousands and thousands and thousands of people in India who also love the sea here, love the environment here. And that is why we are not just protecting the environment for the people of Goa. We are protecting the environment for all of us and for the people of India. You have to remember that.
Perfect.
Right? So these are the reasons I'm standing here. And I am coming here again to make clear commitments on behalf of the Congress Party. And you should have a view on us.
Okay, sir. Thank you.